Hi, welcome back. Another 3 mile. Look, I just noticed, look at that. Oh dear. Oh. Yeah, this is my sister-in-law's Mountfeild SP470. It's been sitting in the garage for years. I can't believe I just noticed that. I've never touched this one before. First time I've seen it actually. But it's a freebie, so can't turn down free mowers, can you? So I'll get it out of the car and we'll have a little look at it. Looks okay, box looks okay from what I can see from here. I'll get it out behind its car and then we'll go from there. Yeah, I know she paid to have that service, so I have to find out who put the air filter on the wrong way round. Oh dear. Yeah, mind. I've got a funny feeling I know who serviced this as well. I'll have to take some photos and send it to them. Right, the first thing I've got to do before I try this is do that bloody air filter. Can't have that the wrong way round. Now if you ever buy one off Facebook or eBay and it says it's been serviced and it's that way round, take it hasn't been serviced. Right, so whoever puts them on the wrong way round should be shot. If you're new to mowers, they don't go that way round, they go that way round. That's the shape of the casing. It's it's not for an aerodynamics. And as we say that, everybody comes out including the dog. Right, so the air filter goes that way round. If I don't change it now, everybody will take the piss out of me for ages. Right, so that's how it goes, like that, with a point at the back, just in case you're new to mowers. Right, I haven't run it, I've done nothing to it. Just overfill the oil. Never mind, got some in it, it's all matters. I did have a quick look in the tank. And it's like a red liquid in it. I don't think you can't see it on the camera, but it's a red liquid. It looks to me like 2-stroke oil or something like that. It's gone more gel, it's got more of a liquid now, it's more of a gel earlier. But also it's red liquid. And this hasn't been started for over 8 years, we worked it out. When our sister lived on the farm. And I really can't get an idea and said perhaps I put red diesel in it. So no, it definitely smells like petrol, but it's a thought, isn't it? Perhaps there's like Red X or something put in it. I'm just going to mix it in with petrol just to try it. Got to give it a go, haven't we? Can't do it no harm. It's not 4-star, but the old 4-star anyway, is it? Definitely not that. Again, use a funnel when you do it. Plenty in there so it can mix up a little bit. I can see it just looks like, it does look like red diesel. Well, because the old 4-star had a sort of tint of red, but the old 4-star stuff, the old leady petrol. Seems to be priming. Okay. Come down here talking, I'm filming. Right. Let's give it a go. And obviously not do the exhaust thing, it's cold. I've got it on it. Champion plug in it. Yeah. Smoke. I wonder what that is in that tank. But am I still in the shot? Am I still in there? Yeah. So bad was it? That's about 8 years. Lived on a farm, then she moved to a flat, and then yeah, but it's been installed indoors, to be honest with you. I don't know what that is in that tank. It smells like pet. I reckon it's some kind of two-stroke or Red X, or maybe when the unleaded stuff come out and that, they were running it on some kind of mixture to think they needed to. Alright, let's give it another go. Without priming it, see what it does. I bet it don't sound as good on camera, they never do. It's running sweet as a nut. There's no diaphragm noise, you know, there's no missing a beat. Drives really strong. Yeah, and I know on camera when you see it and watch it back, with the vibration it looks like things move up and down, but they don't. Everything's solid on it. I'm quite impressed. Quite impressed. We can smell it ain't been run for a while. Just a quick look underneath. Oh, I didn't want to show. I'll show you later underneath it. But oh, I've got to try again, just in case. There's a little bit of movement on that case. There's a little bit of movement on there. The screw's going around because it's undone itself. Yeah, and still got the Allen key in there for doing the handles up. What it needs. What are you talking? But got a screwdriver on one end. That's the proper Allen key for it as well, with the screwdriver on the end. Normally get just something chucks an Allen key in it. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll show you the blade in the next video, because what I'll do is I'll do a service on it and then make our mind up what we're going to do with it. I say sell it, and Heidi says can't sell it because your missus does. I think we'll be selling it. Well, I hope you like this sort of stuff. Like I say, keep an eye out for the air filter thing. You see a lot of mowers on eBay and that, what I say, they've been serviced and the air filters are facing the wrong way. That means the person doesn't know what they're talking about. So that's how it's supposed to go. Flat across the front, point goes to the back because it's the shape of the cowling, the pull start cowling. Okay. I'll tell you what, in fact I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. Right, as you can see, over there, the point goes to the back. It's the shape of the casing, the flat across the front of it. Doesn't need the point at the front of it. So if you see one that says it's been done like that, then you know it hasn't been done by anyone who knows what they're doing. And if you're trying to sell a mower, make sure it's that way round, because if it's not, people like me or people who do know will just blank it if it's pointing outwards. Right, I hope that made sense. We'll do another video doing a service on it and whatever. We'll do that soon. And yeah, so if you like this sort of stuff, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share the video and all the rest of it, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.